Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. I got a 4Runner I'm working on today. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and then I'm going to get to work and I'll show you how it goes. So, nice 4Runner. Everything looks great other than this dent. So, I'm going to get my tools out and start pounding away at that thing. Strip the paint off and use my dent puller. I don't want to pull the interior panel off if I don't have to. We shall see, but that's what it looks like before. And I'll bring you back when I got something done. Okay, so I got my body work done. Looks pretty flat. Still got to clean the panel and everything. The dent was right here, as you probably already know. It's all primed, ready to be painted. I just, like I said, I'm gonna go around my edges with the gray Scotch-Brite real good, and then give her a good wipe down, and then she's getting painted. So I just wanted to show you where we're at now before I put any paint on it. This, I mean, two body lines were absolutely smashed, this one and that one, and I got them the best I'm gonna get it. So time to get to painting. So I'll bring you back whenever I've got this thing blended and painted, or blended and cleared, I should say. I'm just going to blend the paint into and then re-clear the whole panel. All right, let's do it. Oh, you okay?
Yeah. Can I get out of your way?
You're all right.